We're in the living room and we're about to talk about the basement cafe, so we're going to go down to take a look at the cafe. We're here. The project consisted of total gut and demolition. The Vizcaya Cafe Shop obviously was impacted by Hurricane Irma that took place in 2017. We needed to remove everything because of the flood, at least 3.5 feet of water. We started construction midsummer. I believe the duration was about 6 months. We put new stone base. We refurbished the flooring throughout the space. We replaced all of the doors, installed a new handicap lift. We removed all of the plastic walls, we removed all the cabinetry. We determined that we were going to go with composite material as opposed to wood. So in the future, if we do have any issues, we can simply wash down the cabinetry and sanitize it and reuse it. As opposed to with the wood, it gets wet, it gets contaminated, you have to dispose of it all. We also applied cementitious-based waterproofing on the interior of the wall, so that way if the water penetrates the wall, it will serve as a barrier to minimize the amount of water that will migrate into the space. So all of the food service equipment is being replaced, even though we could have possibly sanitized and disinfect the equipment. We made the decision to replace all of the food service equipment. So the project's essentially completed. We have just the equipment that's going to be arriving this month. The space should be available for the public sometime in February or March, depending on the schedule of operating. And looking forward to being able to enjoy a hamburger in the space at some point.